In the earlier video, we have studied the calculation of coordinates of the given object with respect to the relative coordinate system, and we have calculated the coordinates. So in this video, we are going to study the steps to draw the object in the AutoCAD software. To draw this object, we are going to use the command line. So the first step will be type line in the command prompt and press enter button. The system will ask us specify first point. So the first point is point A, and the coordinates of the point A are 2, 1. So type 2, 1 in the command prompt and press enter button. When we do this step, the point A will be located in the AutoCAD software. Next, software will ask us specify next point, and the next point is B, and the coordinates of a point B are @4, 0. So write down @4, 0 in the command prompt and press enter button. When you press this enter button, the line from A to B will be plotted by the AutoCAD software. Next, to draw this line B to C, system will ask us specify next point. So the next point, that is nothing but a C, and the coordinates of the point C are @-2, 2 and press enter button. After pressing enter button, the line from B to C will be drawn by the AutoCAD software. Next, AutoCAD software will ask us specify next point. So the next point is D, and the coordinates of a point D are 0, 3. Write down @0, 3 in the command prompt and press enter button. So the line from C to D will be drawn by the AutoCAD. Next, to draw this line D to E, we must enter the coordinates of a point E. The coordinates of a point E are @-2, 0. So system will ask us specify next point and then enter the coordinates of a point E in the command prompt. Write down @-2, 0 and press enter button. So the line from D to E will be drawn. So next we have to enter the coordinates of a point A to draw this line from E to A. So system will ask us specify next point, then enter the coordinates of a point A. The coordinates of a point A with respect to E are @0, -5 and press enter button. And finally, to see the complete object, press enter button once again. Once you press this enter button, the complete object will be in front of you in the AutoCAD software. Okay, let us draw the above object in the AutoCAD by using the relative coordinate system. Before drawing, let me turn off object snap tracking. Go to the tab object snap tracking and click on it. So the command object snap tracking is executed and object snap tracking is off now. So now type line in the command prompt. And press enter button. Now the system is asking us specify first point. So our first point is, you can see in the drawing, first point is 2, 1, 2, 1 and press enter button. So the point A is located by the AutoCAD and system is asking us specify next point. So our next point is point B, and the coordinates of a point B are 4, 0, 4, 0. Coordinates of a point B are @4, comma 0 and press enter button. So the line from A to B is drawn by the AutoCAD. So this is the line A to B. Next, system is asking us specify next point. So next point is a point C, and the coordinates of a point C are at the rate -2, 2. So type at the rate -2, 2 in the command prompt and press enter button. So the line from B to C is drawn by the AutoCAD. Again, system is asking us specify next point. Our next point is point D, and coordinates of a point D are at the rate 0, 3. So type at the rate 0, 3 in the command prompt and press enter button. So you can see line C to D is drawn by the AutoCAD. Again, system is asking us specify next point. Our next point is E, and the coordinates of a point E are at the rate -2, 0. So type at the rate -2, 0 in the command prompt and press enter button. So line D to E is drawn, and the last line is remaining from E to A. And to draw this line, enter the coordinates of a point A with respect to point E. So the coordinates of a point A are at the rate 0, -5 and press enter button, and again press enter button. So this is the object in front of you. Now save this object. Go to the tab A, select fourth option, save as, go to the required drive and folder, and save the drawing by using suitable name to the file. r_obj1. I have given name to this file as an r for relative object 1, and then press save button. So this drawing will be saved into the drive of your computer, and you can open it whenever required and do the modifications. Okay, so we have studied how to draw this object by using the relative coordinate system. If you have any doubts, problems, suggestions, please let me know into the comment section.